Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get that like little self view on the left here of your Roblox avatar. So make sure you have your video camera on if you want it to track you. If you don't have it on, I think you're still able to get the self view, it just won't move. So go to settings and turn on your camera here, which I've done that. Select these three lines and then select self view, and it's going to basically view your avatar. Make sure this camera thing is enabled. You can also adjust the size of it, but I prefer it like this. So my camera is open, so if I blink, like my avatar will also blink, as you can see, and you'll also be able to see it here. Sometimes people use this like area for like streams, I guess. There are some where you can move the mouth, but you do kind of have to like figure it out which one. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.